Hi guys and Namastey, this is Shalini and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I make food and lifestyle videos and today I'm here with a very simple recipe of Rava Ladoo. It can be made with some basic ingredients from your Indian pantry, mainly Rava, that is Semolina or Sooji. There are different ways to making this dish, but this is an easy one-pot recipe. I hope you try it out and if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. To make Rava Ladoo, we are first going to heat a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. To this, we will be adding about 2 tablespoons of cashew. Once it is roasted, we will be adding about 2 tablespoons of raisins as well. Stir for a couple of seconds. To this, add 1 more tablespoon of ghee, followed by a cup of rava, that is semolina or Sooji. We'll be mixing this well and stirring it continuously for about 7 to 8 minutes until a nice aroma wafts through the kitchen. Make sure that you are continuously stirring it so that it doesn't get burned. To this, add half a cup of grated coconut. I have added freshly grated coconut here, but you can also add desiccated coconut, which also helps in increasing the shelf life. Mix well for about 5 more minutes. Meanwhile, take about 3/4 cup of sugar and add cardamom pods to it. I have removed the pods and I have added only the seeds. We are going to powder it. Now you can do this step before you begin the roasting of rava in case you will be worried about burning it. Now we will be adding about half a cup of this powdered sugar and cardamom to the rava and coconut mixture. You may please increase the quantity of the powdered sugar according to your taste. My dad and I thought half a cup was more than enough, but my mom said I should have added a bit more sugar. So taste and test at this particular stage. You can add another 1/4 cup of sugar if needed. We are now going to transfer this mixture to a plate and let it cool down for a couple of minutes. It shouldn't be cooled down completely or else it will be difficult to make balls out of it. Add about 5 to 7 tablespoons of lukewarm milk to it. I have greased my hand with a dollop of ghee and I am trying to make small balls or laddoos out of it. So gather a handful of the mixture and press tightly to make the balls. You can make however big you like, but this is the biggest I could. Once done, keep it aside and repeat the process. This mixture yields about 17 to 18 such small laddoos. If you want to make more, double the quantity of the ingredients and you should be good to go. Keep the laddoos in the refrigerator for about half an hour. This will help set the laddoos. That's it. Easy peasy, don't you think? Few ingredients and a delicious sweet is ready for the festival. I hope you try it out and please leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.